I'm a huge fan of the details, accuracy, details, everything. When you're calculating, trying to figure something out, building a drag car, you want to know how quick it can go, what it's capable of. It's all about knowing all the details. My wife would probably be mad if she seen I'm weighing the transmission on our house bath scale. But that trans right there, I have an input yoke or an output yoke that I just stuff in so the oil doesn't pour out, but it's sitting there full of oil right now. That's a 47 RH transmission. It's 200.8 pounds. I weighed the converter, factory converter, was 56 pounds, I believe. I took a picture of it. So when you're building a hot rod, you want to figure out what everything's going to weigh. This could help you do it.